Okay, good evening, student. Students, today we are going to start our revision on circulatory system. This is the first chapter in your textbook, and this is a revision for the first term biology, inspire biology lessons. Okay, so let's start. So the question that is given on the Heikel, that's end of term. Okay, let's look at it. See the first one. This is the first picture that you need to study. So this picture is talking about the components of the blood. Components of the blood. That means what does your blood contain? Mainly about it. What is this cell? What is this? Yes, someone tell me what is this? This is a
What?
red.
Red.
Yeah, this is the
Red
red
blood.
blood cell. Yeah, this is the red blood cell, RBC, red blood cell, and this one is the white blood cell, white
White
blood cell.
blood.
So what they have done is they have given this picture in the Heikel in the end of term. Okay, so you must be very careful. See you have to study the what is that below. Blood is composed of a liquid part. What is the liquid part of the blood? It's a plasma, the red blood cell, white blood cell, okay, and platelets. So remember, the blood will contain these components. Yes,
What page in the book?
in the book, please check because I don't have the book with me. It is the first chapter.
Page
Check the
number?
first chapter. Okay,
Page
you can
number?
check. So there are four components of the blood. The first one is the red blood cell. Number two, the white blood cell. Three, blood platelets. And four, plasma. These are the four blood components. And now what you have to learn? You should know the functions of them. What does a red blood cell do? Yes, what does it do? Ahmed, any
Carry
idea?
oxygen.
Yes, red blood cell helps to carry oxygen around the blood. Red blood cell helps to carry oxygen around the blood. What does a white blood cell do? White blood cell is to fight against bacteria and virus. So remember, it is the soldiers of your body. It helps to fight against bacteria and virus. The white blood cell. Number three, platelets. Platelets will help in blood clotting. Platelets help in blood clotting. What is blood clotting? When there is an injury in your skin, when there is a cut in your skin, the wound is getting healed on its own. This is called as blood clotting. So who helps to do that? It is done by the blood platelets. So blood platelet helps in blood clotting. And number four, the liquid part of the blood is the plasma. And what does that do? It carries hormones and digested food. Okay, is it clear? So don't forget, red blood cell carries oxygen. White blood cell fight against bacteria and virus. Blood platelet helps in blood clotting. And plasma carries hormones and digested food. Now, so this picture, don't forget, what is this? This is the red blood cell. And what is this one? This is the white blood cell. Okay, now let's do some questions from here. So here is the first question. Which blood component is responsible for carrying oxygen?
Red blood.
Red blood.
Red blood cell. Okay, good. What is the main function of plasma? Plasma.
C, Mr. C.
C, to transport substances. Okay, good. Where do red blood cells get produced? Remember this, I will tell you. The RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. The RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. Okay, now let's go to the next one. All this I have given you, so you can just do this on your own. Okay. See, one more thing here, very important. What is the purpose of fibrin? You see, they say fibrin in the process of blood clotting. What is the purpose of fibrin? See, Fibrin, what is fibrin? When there, let's say this is your skin, okay? This is your hand and there is a cut in your skin. So what will happen? The blood will be coming out, no, like this, through this. Then after some time, you can find that there are small thread-like structures on the injured region, on the injury, like this. Have you seen this? Red color, red. This one. This threads are called fiber. This is called as fiber. Okay. Now the thing is, what is? See, let me write it here inside. Okay. This is called as fiber. Fibrin. Okay. Now the question is, what is the purpose of fibrin in the process of blood clotting? What do? They form a network of fibers to trap blood cells and platelets. Okay, they form a network to trap. So this is the function of the fibrin. Okay, so keep that also in your mind. The blood types that's found in your body. As you're looking here, there are 4 types of blood. You have 4 types of blood. So let's look at it. So what are the 4 types of blood? The first type is called the blood type A, and the second one is B. The third blood type is AB, and the fourth one is the O blood type. So there are 4 different blood types: A, B, AB, and O. Okay, so based on the marker molecules, these blood types are identified. So what are the marker molecules? For blood type A, the marker molecule is A. Okay, and for the blood type B, the marker molecule is B. For blood type AB, the marker molecule is AB. And for the blood type O, there are no marker molecule. So what you have to do is, you have to look at this diagram. Okay, don't follow this diagram. This is a wrong diagram that's given in your textbook. Okay, this is in page number 11. Page number 11. The diagram that is given in your textbook is wrong. Follow this. See, what does it say? Marker molecule A. So here are the marker molecules. See, this is RBC. RBC, and around the RBCs, you can find the marker molecule. You can see here. If this is given as A, that means this is blood type A. If this is the marker molecules, these marker molecules, if it is B, then your blood type is B. If this is AB, you can see A and B. AB, then the blood type is AB. And if there is no marker molecule, then the blood type will be O. Okay, so please, students, the diagram that is given in your textbook, page number 11, is wrong. Do not follow this picture. You need to go with this. That's very important. And what do? You see, the blood type A can donate blood to A or AB. Okay, and B can donate to B and AB. AB can only donate to AB, and O can donate to all blood types. They can donate to A, B, AB, or O. Okay, in the same way, the A blood type can receive the blood from A or O. B can receive from B or O. AB can receive from A, B, AB, or O. They can receive from everyone. And O can only receive from O. So what we can see from here? From here, you should know that AB, the blood type AB, is called the universal recipient. Universal recipient. What is the meaning? They can receive blood from all the 4 blood types. We look at this. They can receive blood from A, B, AB, or O. And what about blood type O? Blood type O is called as universal donor. You see, they are called as universal donor. Why they are called as universal donor? Because they can donate the blood to all the 4 blood types: A, B, AB, or O. So they are called as universal donor. Okay, so don't forget, this is very, very important, and you need to identify by looking at the marker molecules found on the RBCs. So don't forget, this is very important. Okay, very important. You will get two questions from this. And one more question that is definitely going to come is about the RH factor. Now let's look at the RH factor. Okay, let's go down. Okay, here we go. Okay, here is the RH factor. Okay, here is the RH factor. A question on RH factor. RH factor. So RH factor is another marker on the red blood cell that can cause complications during which time? You should remember it will cause complication when a female is pregnant. When she is pregnant, it can cause complication. Okay, so let's answer this question. Why is it dangerous for red blood cells to clump together? You see, if they join together, what will it do? It can block the blood flow. A person with blood type B has which antibodies in their plasma? So blood type B, that means they have marker B. Marker is B. Marker is B because they are blood type B. But what about their antibody? They will have antibody A. So the answer will be antibody A. All right. So let's look at this question. The question number 6 and 7. Like, what is the purpose of antibodies in the blood plasma? Antibodies, it is to recognize the foreign red blood cell markers. Person with blood type AB can receive a transfusion from which blood type? Can receive. Okay, remember, what is blood type AB? AB, as I told you, AB is called as universal recipient. So they can receive from all the blood type. They can receive from A, they can receive from B, they can receive from AB, and they can also receive from O. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is very, very important. Now come back to this one. So now we are going to learn the difference between these three. What are they? There are three types of blood vessels in your body. What are the three blood vessels? Artery, vein, and capillary. See, artery, vein, and capillary. We studied this. So what are the like? There are, you see, there are almost three layers here. What is the inner layer? Endothelium. This is the inner layer, which is called as endothelium. Yes, endothelium. Then this middle layer is called the smooth muscle. Smooth muscle. And what is here at the top, outside, you call it as connective tissue. See, these are the three things. Endothelium, smooth muscle, connective tissue. Okay, now come back here. So do you have all the three? Endothelium, smooth muscle, connective tissue. But what is the difference between artery and vein?
It is a thick, I think.
What's the difference? The arteries are thick. You see, the arteries are, they are thick. They are thick wall. Okay, thick wall. But what about veins? The vein, they are not thick. They are thin. Okay, they are thin. And what about capillary? You see, capillary do not have smooth or smooth or connective tissue. So we call this as they are very thin. That is one cell thick. Just one cell thick. They are very, very thin. Okay. Now what we do? See, there are questions, but they will not give you the picture of this. It's not in your Heikel. They will not give you the picture, but what they are going to do, they are going to ask you the difference between artery, vein, and capillary. So what I did, to make it simple, I made a table for you like this. Read this table, it will be enough. Now see, what is the table? Artery. What type of blood they carry? Oxygen rich blood. Okay, they carry oxygen rich blood. Oxygen rich blood or oxygenated blood.
Mister,
Yes.
Can you record?
Yeah, it's getting recorded. Yes, Ahmed.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. Now, see, arteries carry oxygenated blood or oxygen-rich blood. What does a vein carry? Oxygen poor blood or deoxygenated blood. Okay, so keep this in mind. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood and vein carry oxygen poor blood or deoxygenated blood. Capillary, it carries both the type of blood. Okay, next one. Artery, it is a blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. Away from the heart. Vein, it carries blood back to the heart. Back to the heart. Okay, next. Arteries, thick wall. They have thick wall. See, they say why they are thick? The endothelial walls are thicker. Then vein, endothelial walls are thinner. Okay, and the walls are only one cell thick. So the blood cells move in a single file. Single file means they move one after the other. They go in a line, like that. So one cell thick, thinner wall, thick wall. Don't forget. Three layers of the artery. Outer connective tissue. What is the middle layer? Smooth muscle. And the inner endothelial tissue. Vein. Three layers. Endothelial, smooth, and connective tissue. What about capillary? Do they have three layer? No. They have only one layer. And what is that? Endothelium. Only one layer, endothelium. Artery. They withstand high pressure. Vein, low pressure. Capillary, low pressure. Okay, here comes the very important point here. See, valves. Okay, valves. Valves are absent in arteries. Valves are present in vein. And valves are absent in capillary. So this is very important because there is a question. I'm going to show you the question. Okay, see the vein. The vein will have valves. So you should understand that vein will have valves. The valves are present. Okay, now let's go down. Here is the question. See, this is artery. See the diagram that they give. This is artery, this is vein. They will give you this picture. This picture will come in the exam. They will ask you what is this, or they may ask you what is this. How to identify? Look at the second layer, this layer. Look at this layer. Okay, the smooth muscle. If the muscle is thick, then it will be artery. If the muscle is thin, then it is called vein. Don't forget. Then what is the next thing you must look? Look at the valve. See here, this structure, the one that goes up and comes down. You see? Can you see here? This one. Look at that. This is called as a valve. See, this is called as a valve. This too. It goes like this. This is a valve. Valves are found only in the vein. You cannot find them anywhere else. So valves are found only in the vein. So this picture will come. And what is there inside? This is called capillaries. Capillaries, network of capillary. The capillary, see, this is the branch of the artery called arterioles. Vein, venules. It's easy. Arteriole from the artery. Vein from the venule from the vein. And in the middle, you have like tree, the branches like tree, they are called as capillaries. So don't forget, a very important question is this. Okay, let's answer the question. What is the primary function of arteries?
C, Mr.
Yeah,
C.
C, to carry oxygen rich blood. Okay, away from the heart. Yes, away from the heart. Good. Let's go to the next one. What is the purpose of valves found in the vein? What is the function of valve?
C.
See, always remember the valve. Why there are valves? It will prevent the blood from flowing backward. So what is the meaning here? Look, go here to this picture. You see, in this, the blood will go upward like this. Okay, see, because the valves are present this side, so they will go. Can the blood come back?
Mr. The valve stopping the blood from coming back.
Yeah, it will stop. The valve will stop the blood from coming back. So what is the meaning? The blood can go only in one direction. It cannot come back. So the function of valve is to allow the blood to flow in one direction. One direction. That is the function. So
Okay,
the answer,
Mr.
yes.
Why the artery don't have valve?
Why the artery don't have valve? Because the valve is not required for artery because the blood is going with high pressure already. The blood is at high pressure. When there is high
Because
pressure,
only
they
going with
don't
direction
require.
because it's high pressure.
Yes, because they have high pressure, they don't require a valve. But in vein, the pressure of the blood is very low. So what happens? They require a valve to support. They need a valve to support. Okay, yeah. Let's go to the next one. Um, yes. See the question here. Why are the valves of arteries? Why are the walls of artery described as elastic and durable? Why?
Because high pressure.
Because the blood is high pressure.
Yes, because that's what I was saying, because the blood is at high pressure. So they need to protect themselves. See, the wall is thick. Why the wall is thick? Because they need to protect themselves. The blood is flowing with high pressure. If the wall is thin, the blood vessel will burst. Okay. Now, what type of blood vessel is shown here?
Artery.
It's an artery. Don't forget, it's an artery. Okay. Okay, next, let's go there. Okay, we'll do one more question. Which of the following best describes the structural difference between artery and vein?
Yeah, Mr.
The arteries have thicker wall
Thicker.
than veins. Okay. That's
The
also
artery have thicker wall in the vein.
okay. So the other questions, you can do it. I have already given you this paper. Now let's go to the next concept. Okay. Next concept is this. Okay, you see here, this is another one. Which blood vessel is described as smallest branches? When they say
Capillaries.
branches, you should remember it is capillaries. Capillaries are branches. Okay, next one. Let's go here. The structure of the heart. Okay, very important is this question and all the parts you have to learn. Okay, let's revise this now. Okay, you know this already. I know. Anyway, let's start. So there are 4 chambers of the heart. See, this is on your right side. So when you write, make sure you write it as left. Okay. So what is this? The left atrium. What is this? The left ventricle. So left atrium, left ventricle. Right atrium and right ventricle. Don't forget, there are 4 chambers of the heart. There are 4 chambers of the heart. Left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. What are chambers? Chamber means empty space.
Again, Mr.
There are 4 chambers of the heart. The 4 chambers are left atrium. Look here, left atrium is the first chamber, and down you have left ventricle, Then number 3, right atrium. This is right atrium, this whole area, and the right ventricle. Here is the right ventricle. Okay, this full thing is right ventricle. What is chamber? Chamber means empty space. It's like a room. Okay, so room which is filled with blood. There are 4 rooms or 4 chambers. Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Wait, I think somebody is waiting in the lobby. 1 minute. Abdul Atik. Where is he? Okay, forget about it. No, there is a lag here. Okay, anyways, so these are the 4 chambers of the heart. Okay, the next thing that you should remember are the valves inside the heart. There are four valves. Four valves inside the heart. Look at this valve. What is this? I said left atrium, and left ventricle. Look carefully here. Boys, look here. This is left atrium. This is left ventricle. See, between the left atrium and left ventricle, you can find a valve. What is the name of this valve? Mitral valve. See, what is the name of this valve? Mitral valve. Same thing here. This is, I told you, right atrium. And this is right ventricle. You see? Between the right atrium and the right ventricle, there is a valve. What is the name of this valve? Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. Mitral valve, tricuspid valve. Then you see the blood is coming like this from first where it goes to the right atrium. You see the arrow mark. Then the blood goes through the tricuspid valve. Then the blood will go up this way. They go through a valve here. See, there is another valve here. Okay, learn this. This valve is called pulmonary valve. This valve is the pulmonary valve. Okay, why this is pulmonary valve? Because this blood vessel, you see the blue blood vessel here, which is connected, is the pulmonary arteries. Because this is pulmonary artery, this valve is called pulmonary valve. And then look here, fourth, same way. The blood comes down and it goes up. There is a valve here. This valve is called aortic valve. Aortic valve. Why this is aortic valve? Because the blood is going inside the aorta. This is the aorta. See, there are four valves. So what are the valves? Number one, tricuspid valve. Number one. Number two, mitral valve. Number three, pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. And number four, aortic valve. These are the four types of valves. Okay, tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve. Now look at this. What is this? What is this? What valve is this? This valve is mitral valve. Don't forget. This is mitral valve. What valve is this? Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. What is this valve? Pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. And what is this valve? This is called aortic valve. Aortic valve. Okay, now you see, look at this figure. See this picture they have given. See, what does it say? Aortic valve in an open position. You see, this is a space and this is the aortic valve. So this aortic valve.
Strange. It looks like triangle with a circle. It looks strange.
Yeah. That's how it looks. But remember this picture, when they gave some picture here, this might be important. You must study. You must know that this is an aortic valve and this aortic valve is in an open position. Okay. So now we have seen all the parts here. So we have seen the chamber, we have seen the valves and also the blood vessel. See, this blood vessel is pulmonary artery. Don't forget. Pulmonary artery, here also pulmonary artery. The difference is this is right pulmonary artery, this is left. And this one is aorta. Aorta. And you see this blood. This next, you have to forget, if we forgot about this. There is a blood vessel here and here. The top one is called superior vena cava and the down one is called inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Then,
but what, Mr. Where they called that?
Superior because it is at the top. Inferior because it is down. See, this is
but
coming.
Mr. Superior and inferior is when something is better and something is worse.
Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, see, superior means upper part of the body, inferior means below. That's it. That's why it is called superior and inferior. Then look here.
Simple.
Look at this two here, this year and year. They are called pulmonary veins. Pulmonary vein. This is right side. So this is right pulmonary vein, and this is on the left side, left pulmonary vein. So this all this parts you need to memorize. Okay, this is, I know it's difficult, but over time, when you go on repeating these words, it becomes easy. Okay, so these are the parts of the heart. Now let's go here and see what questions we can see. Okay, this is a very simple question. What is the hollow organ that pumps blood throughout the body? What's the answer?
Heart.
Artery.
Heart is the hollow organ. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah, what is that? What is this one? What does the image below show?
Pulmonary valve.
Pulmonary? What are you telling? Pulmonary? Is it pulmonary? What did I show you
Pulmonary
here?
valve is open.
What did I show you here? Is it pulmonary?
I forgot.
Aortic. You
Oh.
see, it is in the shape of, you remember like this. It is looking like an A. So it's aortic valve. Remember that way. Just something to remember. So this is triangle, no? It looks like an A.
Okay.
So this is aortic valve,
But we will
not
have the same
pulmonary.
exam.
Okay, yeah. So the same picture will be there. Yeah. So it is the aortic valve in an open position. Aortic valve in an open position. Then the next one. Which side of the heart is shown to carry oxygenated blood?
Left.
Okay. Remember, oxygenated blood will be carried in the left side, and deoxygenated blood will be carried on the right side. So keep this also in your mind. The left side carries oxygenated blood, and the right side carries deoxygenated blood. Okay. So the next question. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, yeah, I'm going to minimize this little. This picture, okay, they will give you, because this picture is there in the haiku. Okay, here we go. See the blood vessels around the heart. Look carefully. You can see here. See, this is, I told you, the right side. This blue, the right side, and the red one is the left side. So why it is blue? Why they are showing this picture in blue? It means it carries deoxygenated blood. So the right side carries deoxygenated blood and the left side carries oxygenated blood. Okay, now look very carefully. See, this is the blood vessels. That means from the body. The blood from the body, where does it enter? It enters first the right atrium. Right atrium. From the right atrium, the blood goes to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood goes to the lungs. This is lungs. Okay, so the deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs. What will the lung do? What will the lung do? 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's just listen. What will the lung do? The lung will remove the carbon dioxide, CO2, and the lung will take in oxygen. So what now the blood becomes? The blood is now filled with oxygen. So it becomes oxygenated blood. Yes.
We breathe oxygen, and then the lungs separate the carbon dioxide and we breathe it out.
Yes. So carbon dioxide goes out and the oxygen is taken in. Now what happens? The blood that was deoxygenated, now it became oxygenated. That's why it became red, you see, red. Now this blood, oxygenated blood, will go again to the heart, to the left atrium. From left atrium, it goes to left ventricle. And then the blood goes through the aorta to the body parts. Okay, now you look very carefully here. This picture, what you should remember, look at this pulmonary artery. See, this is pulmonary artery. What is this? Pulmonary vein. You see, pulmonary vein. And this is aorta leading to the body, that is artery, and this is vein. So remember this is the blood flow diagram. What they will do, they will ask you which is the correct blood flow. They will give you four pictures.
Artery?
they will give you 4 pictures, okay, and then they will put the arrow mark, and they will ask you which is the correct arrow, correct pathway the blood is moving inside your body. So you must be able to know that this is the correct pathway. First from the body, it goes into the heart. From the heart, it goes to the lungs. From the lung, it again goes to the heart. And again from the heart, they go to the body. So this is how they will ask you. So keep that in mind. All right. Now let's do some questions.
Wait, Mr. Again, one more time. Last time. Can you say it again?
Okay. Listen, okay. See, the blood from the body parts. This is the body parts. The blood from the body part. The body part will have deoxygenated blood. Okay, that's why the blood is blue here. So this
Yes.
deoxygenated blood will first enter where? The right atrium. From the right atrium, where do they go? Right ventricle. From right
No,
ventricle, they
it will
will
go
go
to
to the lungs.
lung.
So what will the lung do? The lung will remove the carbon dioxide,
Separate
and
the
they
carbon
take
dioxide
yeah,
and take the
and
oxygen.
they take in oxygen. Now
Yes.
the blood becomes, oxygenated blood. So that's why it is given as red, oxygenated blood. Then the oxygenated blood will enter the left atrium. From left atrium to left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the blood will go out again to the body parts. So this is how they move.
Second cycle.
Yeah, it's a cycle. Huh? So this is how they move around the body. Okay, now let's quickly look at this. What is this? This is a chamber. What is this? Can you fill this up? What is this?
Right
Huh?
atrium.
Left atrium.
This is a
Right or left?
left atrium. Left
Left atrium. Okay. What about this?
left ventricle.
Left ventricle. Okay. What is this?
Right atrium.
Right atrium. Good. What is this?
Right ventricle.
Okay, good. Now tell me, what is A?
It is
Let's see.
arteria.
No, A. This
Mitral.
one. This one.
Mitral.
Mitral. Yes. Who said the
No,
answer? Mitral
Mm.
valve. Yes. Good. Mitral valve. What is
mitral.
B?
Aortic valve.
Aorta.
Aorta
Aortic valve. Yes, very good. Aortic valve. Good. What is C?
It was something.
Coronary vein.
It's on the right. Right means try. Try.
Huh?
So
Coronary.
it is tricuspid.
Mr. Can you
Tricuspid.
simplify it for us, like something to remember?
To remember, okay, what side is this, my dear?
Right.
Right side. Right side. See, right. Right will be tricuspid valve.
Huh?
Okay. Right side is tricuspid. Right, try. You see, it's rhyming. Right side, tricuspid valve. Keep it like that, because you're not going to
Okay.
memorize. You get the answer options there. A, B, C, D. They put mitral. They put tricuspid. See, mitral is different, but on the right side,
Mr. If they give options,
you
if they
have
give options,
tricuspid.
it's easier, Mr.
Yeah, options will be there. Yes, of course, options. So this is tricuspid valve. Then what
Okay.
is D? What is D? D is it's going to the lungs. See, it says it's going to the lung. So lung means it is pulmonary. So this is called pulmonary valve. Okay, pulmonary valve. Okay, if you know this, colors. Heart is finished now. You know all the structure. Okay, let's go now. Okay, what does letter B? You know this. What does letter B in the diagram say? Letter B is
Aortic valve.
aortic valve. Okay, what does letter A represent? Letter A is mitral
Mitral.
valve. Okay, you know this. So I need not do these questions. You know all this. Okay, let's go to the next one. See, which blood vessel carries blood from heart to lungs? Okay, now go back to the picture. Go back to the picture. See,
Pulmonary
heart.
vein.
Yes, here is this. Yeah, see, this is the heart, and this is the lung. See, left lung, Right lung. So which blood vessel will carry the blood from heart to lung? Heart to lung. What is this? Pulmonary? Pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries. Yes. Pulmonary artery. See what you should remember. You should remember heart to lungs. All the blood vessels that carry blood from heart to the body parts, they are called as arteries. That is artery. Okay, remember arteries carry blood from heart to body part. So here it is heart to lungs. So lung is pulmonary. So the blood vessel will be pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Okay. So name the blood vessel that carry blood from lung to the heart. See, the blood vessel that is from body parts to heart. Any blood vessel that carry blood from body part to heart are called as vein. They are the vein. So what is the answer here? Pulmonary. Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. Okay. So this is how it is. And now let's go to the next concept. Okay. All these are there already with you. Okay. So look at this. This is very important. Very important. See, they will give you this picture. This picture is taken from here. I will show you. Who's that shouting now? Look here. See, they will give you this picture. Yeah, here you go. See, this is coming in, it's there for in the eye color. They will give you, this is circulatory system disorder. They will give this picture. What is this picture? This picture is the picture of a brain. Okay, it's a scan of a brain. And in the brain, can you see this red thing? And the fat materials are blocking the arteries, then you call this condition as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis. And there are two types of condition. If the blockage is taking place in the blood vessel going to the heart, then you call it as heart attack. If the same condition is happening in the brain, then you call it as stroke. Don't forget stroke. What will happen? If in stroke, it can lead to ruptured blood vessel and internal bleeding. So you can find blood leaking inside your brain. Okay, that means in the skull area, you can find the blood leaking. So that is what you can see here in this picture. They have taken a scan, and in the scan, it is found that there is blood leaking from the brain. So this condition is called stroke. Don't forget, you will definitely get this question. Okay, now let's look at the answer. Let's look at some of the questions here.
But again, Mr. What causes the stroke?
Stroke is leakage of the blood vessel. Look here. Stroke is associated with ruptured blood vessels. Rupture means leakage. The blood vessel is broken and there is leakage. Okay, this can lead to ruptured blood vessel and internal bleeding.
Thank you,
Internal bleeding. Okay, yalla. Now let's see the question here. Shh.
Mr. He's
Ahmed.
Yusuf. Yusuf, Mr.
Yusuf.
Not Hamad. Yusuf.
Okay, now see, a dash occurs when clot forms in blood vessels. What is the answer for this? When clot forms in the blood vessel, so this is the stroke. Name, what is the name of the conditions where arteries are blocked? What's the answer?
Atherosclerosis.
Yes, atherosclerosis. Arteries are blocked. It's
Atherosclerosis.
yeah, sclerosis. Okay, atherosclerosis.
Atherosclerosis.
Yes. Yeah, come. See, you know this machine, huh?
120, correct?
Yes, it is not 80, 120. What is the normal blood pressure of a person? It's 120 by 80.
What does that mean?
This 120 is for systolic pressure. Systolic means when your heart is contracted, it is 120, and 80 is when the heart is relaxed. Okay, so remember this word, this reading, 120 over 80. And what is the name of this machine which measures blood pressure? It's called the sphygmomanometer. It's the sphygmomanometer. This is the name of the machine. Okay, don't
And
forget, just remember the name of the machine is sphygmomanometer. And what is the reading? 120 by 80. 120 by 80. Okay, then
I
the
was
next
going to
thing.
ask you the question of its name because I remember like a couple of weeks ago you did the exam for us in Alif and they asked about the
Yeah, about
instrument.
this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, next one you see. See, this is another one. Can you see here? What is it given here? Pacemaker. Pacemaker. So they will ask you,
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, AM و PM, full option و airplane mode.
who's that?
Mr. Yusuf, can you
يوسف
get him
هذا
out?
يوسف.
Yusuf. We'll kick him out now. Yusuf, can you stop that? I'm saying this is recorded.
يا الربع ترى مش غصب تحضرون اللي ما يبي يحضر يطلع.
طلع.
Look at this. A group of cells located in the right atrium it's called as pacemaker. A group of cells located in the right atrium. I can show you the picture from here. 1 minute. Then you will understand. Where is heart? Yeah. Look carefully here. See? See, this is heart, huh? The heart. Can you see here one thing here? See, there is group of cells here, and you can find one more here, two other. See, this is called as pacemaker. A group of cells located in the right atrium. This is the right atrium. So in the right atrium, you will find a group of cells, and what is the name of it? It's called the pacemaker or SA node. Remember South Africa. So this is pacemaker or South Africa or sinoatrial node. Okay, SA node. So they will ask you, where is the location of sinoatrial node in the heart? Where is the location? It's located at the right atrium.
What is the location of what?
Of sinoatrial node. Can you see here in this picture?
What is that? Can you
Yeah,
show
this
me?
is the node. See, this is the sinoatrial node. So where is the location of the sinoatrial node or pacemaker? It is located at the right atrium. This is the right atrium, and in the right atrium you can find. Okay, so this is the question that they will ask you. So what do? They help the heart muscles to contract. What do? They will make the heart muscle to contract. So this is the only question that they can ask you. Okay, so what is pacemaker? Pacemaker is also called as sinoatrial node. And where are they located? They are located at the right atrium. Okay, now come back here. Okay, here, see, name the group of cells that are located at the right atrium. What is the name of it? Yes, name the group of cells located at the right atrium that send signals to heart muscles to contract. Yes, what's the name of it?
Pacemaker.
Pacemaker or sinoatrial node. Okay, where are the group of cells called pacemaker located?
What is the question, Mr.?
Where are group of cells called pacemaker located in the heart?
Right atrium.
Right
So they are
atrium.
located at the right atrium. Okay, so this is about pacemaker or right. Okay, so then now we are finished. We have come to the end of circulatory system.